Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 747. Final destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station. Arriving here on track number 1 at the Oakland Coliseum station. That's a Siemens Charger SC44. Could be that 7-car train set coming in. Or it could be 2124. SC44 Siemens Charger, that's 2124, lead it off. I think that's 2124 with 8314 Mount Pinos. Uh-oh, what up, what up? Nah, I'm just filming. One of the conductor was asking, am I riding with them? If y'all could give me a free ride, then yes. Just kidding. Alright folks, this train is going to San Jose. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Next time I'll roll with you guys. Alright folks, this is Amtrak 747 departing Oakland Coliseum Station 2124. The Siemens Charger lead it off. One of the coolest conductors ever. Yeah, 8314 Mount Pinos. Or Mount Pinos. Alright folks, there go that train. That train is on its way to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good Sunday night, and I know the 49ers won. Go Niners. Out here in Oakland, my hometown. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.